Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing the Fair Information Practice Principles, also known as FIPPs. These principles are used to help organizations collect, use, and protect personal information in a responsible way. I will explain the main FIPPs principles, compare them to other privacy laws and regulations, and discuss how they help protect personally identifiable information, or PII. FIPPs stands for Fair Information Practice Principles. They are a set of privacy guidelines that help organizations handle personal information responsibly. The goal of FIPPs is to protect people's privacy while allowing organizations to collect and use information when needed. Many privacy laws and regulations are based on these principles because they promote trust, transparency, and security. The first four FIPPs principles focus on openness and limiting unnecessary data collection. Transparency means organizations should tell people what information is being collected and why it is needed. Individual participation means people should have the ability to view, update, or correct their personal information. Purpose. Specification means organizations should clearly explain the reason they are collecting information. Data minimization means organizations should only collect the information they actually need and avoid collecting unnecessary data. These principles help individuals understand how their information is being used and give them more control over their personal data. The next three principles focus on how information is managed and protected. Use limitation means personal information should only be used for the purpose it was originally collected for. Data quality and integrity means organizations should keep information accurate and up to date. Security means organizations should protect personal information from hackers, data breaches, and unauthorized access. Together, these principles help ensure that personal information remains accurate, secure, and properly managed. The final two principles are accountability and auditing. Accountability means organizations are responsible for protecting personal information and following privacy policies. Auditing means organizations should regularly review their privacy and security practices to make sure they are working correctly and meeting requirements. These principles help organizations stay compliant and continuously improve their privacy protections. FIPPs are different from laws such as GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA because they are principles rather than specific legal requirements. For example, GDPR is a privacy law used in the European Union that includes strict rules and large fines for violations. HIPAA focuses on protecting healthcare information. CCPA gives California residents more control over their personal information. While these laws have different requirements, many of their privacy protections are based on the same ideas found in FIPPs, such as transparency, security, and individual rights. Personally identifiable information, or PII, includes information such as names, addresses, social security numbers, phone numbers, and email addresses. FIPPs help protect this information by limiting unnecessary data collection, requiring strong security measures, and giving people more control over their personal information. When organizations follow FIPPs, they reduce the risk of data breaches and help protect individuals from identity theft and privacy violations. Federal agencies use FIPPs in many ways to protect citizen information. For example, agencies provide privacy notices to explain how information is collected and used. They allow individuals to access certain records about themselves. They collect only the information necessary to perform their duties. They also use security tools such as encryption, access controls, and monitoring systems to protect sensitive information. In addition, agencies regularly review their privacy programs and conduct audits to ensure compliance with federal privacy requirements. FIPPs provide a strong foundation for protecting personal information. They promote transparency, accountability, security, and responsible data handling practices. Many modern privacy laws are based on these principles, and federal agencies use them to protect sensitive information and maintain public trust. By following FIPPs, organizations can better protect privacy and reduce the risk of data misuse and security incidents.